What do you mean by the word mass? Listen.
All those objects you just looked at are made up of matter because they all take up space. When you sorted the objects, you used their physical properties.
Right? Just like shape, size, hardness, color, texture, and mass.
You can observe or measure physical properties without changing the matter. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. It is a physical property that can be measured. You use a balance to measure mass. Click an image to find out more. A computer is made of matter, so it has mass. The mass of this computer is 10 kilograms. The mass of this volleyball tells us how much matter it has. The mass of the volleyball is 600 grams. How much matter is in this toy car? Let's look at the mass. The mass is 1 kilogram.
And what about the last picture? It shows a liquid, not a solid, okay? So we are talking about two matters. The first matter is the glass of the beaker or the container. And the second matter is the liquid. So I need to measure what? To measure the mass of the liquid plus the mass of the container or the beaker, okay? Guys, we are talking about the mass of liquids. Of what? Liquids. You cannot put a liquid on a pan balance. It would flow off. That's why you need a container to put the liquid inside it, okay? Okay, guys, in your book on page 355, how can I find the mass of the liquid alone? Of the what? Of the liquid. How can I measure the mass of the liquid? What? Excuse me, we cannot put the liquid on a pan balance. It would flow off, right? That's why we have to put it in the bucket. Okay, now we're gonna find the mass of the bucket alone. Then we're gonna find the mass of the bucket with the liquid together. Then we have to what? To subtract to find the mass of the liquid alone. Are you ready? Let's start. Find the mass of the container alone. 10 grams, right? Find the mass of the container plus the liquid or the contents. 15 plus 70, 85 grams. Now, I have the mass of the bucket plus the liquid together, and I have the mass of the bucket alone. Now we're gonna find the mass of the liquid alone. We're gonna subtract the mass of the total, which is 85, minus the mass of the container or the bucket, which is 10 grams. 85 minus 10, 75 grams. Okay, thank you guys.